YouTube, what's going on guys? It's PJ Hino here and this is my first ever YouTube video, that's right, and I'm here to try and help you improve your Twitch game with the knowledge and information that I have learned on my own Twitch journey. Now I've gone streaming from direct from PS4 to using Go Lightstream and now I use OBS. Now one thing that people ask me a lot is how do I get my sound commands and how do I get my green screen video effects? Well, I'm going to show you on this video right here, and the best thing about this is you don't need to be affiliate. That's right, no affiliation for Twitch is needed for this. Now let me know in the comments if this helped you and what else you would like to know. And hey, don't forget, if this video helped, like the video and hit that subscribe button. That's right, let's roll the intro guys. Hey, so here we are guys, here we are. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to Chrome or whatever web browser that you're using. I just use Chrome, I find it the most user-friendly for me. Once you're in Chrome, you want to go to Google search and you want to search for TriggerFyre. Now, as you can see, I search for it a lot, so it's right there. Once you hit TriggerFyre, you'll hit this link here, and then you'll be brought to this page. Now, the first time you log in, you will be asked to authorize. You need to authorize your Twitch account and for TriggerFyre to sync. Otherwise, you won't be able to do this. So make sure you do that. Now, once you've got to this page, as you can see, you've got images, videos, sounds. You can link your OBS to it, and you've got groups as well. We're going to look at the sounds one today. Now, also, you need to bring up another website called My Instance. Now, we're just going to quickly search for it here. So as you can see, My Instance. Once you search for it, hit the link, you'll be greeted to this page here. Yes, I am in Denmark, which is why it says trending in Denmark. And then you have the list of all these sounds here. Now, once you play them, and you found one you like, you hit the name underneath it. Once you hit the name underneath it, you'll be brought to the big button. Then you'll see here, this is where you can get it as a ringtone notification, but we want to download it as an MP3. Okay, so you hit that download MP3, and then it will bring it up here. Then you want to head back to TriggerFyre, okay? And this is where you're going to create the sound command. Now, you want to hit this plus symbol just down here. When you hit that, you'll be brought to this page. Now, this is where you add all the information regarding the sound trigger. So first of all, you want to add the sound. So we're going to look for it. We're going to go upload. We're going to go select file. And then we're going to pick the file that we have just downloaded. And then once you've got that, you can test it just to make sure it's right. It is right. So then you hit the tick symbol and now it's locked in. Okay. Then you want to call it something. So we're going to call it bruh because that's exactly what it is. It's bruh. Then you've got the user level. So you can have it set to any one of these, but we want it set to everyone so that all of our viewers can enjoy these sound commands and can use them as and when they wish. Underneath that, you have the cooldown timers, okay? So you've got user cooldown timer, and then you've got the global cooldown timer. Now the user cooldown timer, I always set to 0 so that they can use it as many times as they want. Obviously, the more popular and bigger you become, you might want to think about putting a limit on it. But for now, we're just going to put it on 0. And then the global cooldown, that's for the entire chat. You want to put, I'm going to put that on 0 as well. But again, same deal applies. The more popular and bigger you become, the more you might want to put a timer on it. Now, once you've got that, you've got the volume here. But I always leave mine on 100%. And then I adjust the volume accordingly in OBS. Now, next up, you would hit save. And then that's it, it's saved, you'll see it, it's right there, that's it. Bruh. So now when anyone goes into your Twitch chat and puts in exclamation point or command, and then bruh, spelled exactly how you've spelled it here, it will bring up that sound. And it's as simple as that. So that's how you do the sound commands. Now we're gonna go and take a look at how we do the green screen effects. Let's go. So here we are guys, you've just added in that sound command. Now we're going to go and take a look at how to add in those videos. So from your sound, you want to move over to images, okay? Now, we need to load up another website. You know there's always a website for a website. So you hit that plus symbol, and then you want to search for a website called unscreen.com. And then once you've got that, hit enter, and there you go, this is the website. So you want to search for a GIF, okay? It can be anything that you want. We're going to try Dumbo. Why not? Let's see what happens when we pick Dumbo. Now this website should delete all of the background. As you can see, it's pretty much all gone. So we're going to go with Dumbo on this one. Now once you found it, you can hit download, and it'll encode and then download and then appear down here. So then you want to head back over to TriggerFyre and then hit that plus symbol just like you did with the sound command. Okay, now hit select image, and then you want to upload your newfound image. Okay, so select file, and then from your downloads file on your computer, you want to select the image, and then it should load up and it should appear here. There he is, Dumbo. He's flying in the air. So then you'd hit the tick symbol. Okay, now you've got him. He's locked in. He's ready to go. Now you can call this whatever you want. We're going to call it fly because he's flying. Now, for those of you that are affiliate, you can hit that symbol and make it into a channel point. The only thing you need to do is you need to call it the exact name of your channel point. That includes any lowercase and uppercase letters as well. Once you've got that perfectly in, hit save, and then that's it. It's a channel point. But back to it not being a channel point and it just being a trigger, then you would, once you've got your name in, go down to user level, select who can use this. We're going to go with everyone on this because I want everybody in my chat to be able to use it. But I will put a cooldown timer on this one. Just because it takes over a part of the screen, I don't want it to be able to be spammed all the time. Now, just for now, we're going to leave it on as is. So a 60-second cooldown timer for individual users, and then a 30-second global cooldown timer. Now, once you've done that, you can add a sound to this, which is optional. So once you attach sound, you would go back to my instance, search for the right sound. But what we're going to do for this video is we're just going to search for one that I've already got. Let's see what we've got here. Flyby. We're going to pick that one. Flyby, and then that's it. Now again, the size I'm going to leave because I can adjust that in my OBS, or you can also do it in your Go Light stream. And then your duration I'm going to leave for 5 seconds, and then the position I am not going to touch. The volume again of the sound effect I'm not going to touch because we can adjust that in OBS or Go Light stream, and then you would hit save. And that, guys, is done. So whenever someone hits exclamation mark or command fly, spelled exactly as is, Dumbo will appear with that sound effect over the top of it. Alright guys, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what happens on my stream when some people hit it so you can actually see it in action. Let's get it, let's go. But let me just throw out a shout out. Redeemed.
Hello there.
Hello there. That's right, hello there. Love it, absolutely love it. Keep it going. So there you go, guys. Now you've done all that, you need to add it into your OBS or Slobs or Go Light stream, your studio. So once you've got that, you need to hit this to-chain link to grab the URL. So make sure you press that. It'll bring it up here. Just press copy link. Once you've copied the link, press close, and then you want to go to your OBS or Slobs or whatever studio you're using. Now on OBS, the way you add in your browser source is you press the plus symbol. Then you want to go to browser source, and then you want to call it something. So we'll call it Trig. Press OK. And then this is where you copy and paste it. Okay, so now you've got that copy and pasted. It is really important that you do these next two steps. You want to make sure that you shut down source when not visible, and also refresh browser source when scene becomes active. The reason for this is that if you do not do this, when someone hits that sound command and you say you have 3 scenes in your collection, it will play that song in triplicate on top of each other. So it really, really messes with the audio. But once you do that, it will only play it on one audio track, so you don't have that multiple layered audio, which is no good. Trust me, you don't want it. So once you've done that, you press OK, and that's it. It's in. So that's it, guys. That's how you add those sound commands, and that's how you add those video commands. If you have enjoyed the video, please hit that follow button, smash that sub button, Also, I do stream on Twitch every week. Please check the description for the link to my Twitch channel. Come join me. You can ask any questions you want to ask about anything that goes on my Twitch channel. Until next time though, stay safe and take care, guys.